Hello students, we have already discussed about the parts of a fruit, okay? And as I said, seeds are get protected inside a fruit. Today I will show you the different parts of a seed, okay? Very clearly we have examined the parts of a fruit. Today I will show you the different parts of a seed. To show you that I have taken a rajma seed, okay? Here this is a rajma seed. I have taken it and before showing you, I have soaked it overnight so that we can have a good result. We can see the parts very clearly. Okay. Now, see. Here we are talking about this seed. Okay. And here the outer part of the seed which I am taking it out, that is the seed coat. Okay. Slowly I am taking out the seed coat. Okay. No need to use this instrument also. By your hand also you can do very nicely. By your hand also you can do. See, I have taken out the seed coat. Okay, seed coat is out of the seed. Okay, now one term already I told, in seed coat there is a pore over the seed coat. Okay, if I will show you one more rajma seed, you can see a small pore. There is a whitish part here, you can see. This part is not the micropyle pore. This is the hilum. This about this hilum you will read in your higher class. Just above the hilum, you can see there is a small pore over it. Can you see? Above the hilum, there is a small dark pore over it. This is called micropyle pore, and this micropyle pore only, it helps in absorbing water for the seed. Okay, so here we have taken out the seed coat. After taking out the seed coat, we can see we got two cotyledons. So we got confirmed that rajma seed is a dicotyledon seed. These are the two cotyledons, okay, which get attached to each other. And as it is a dicotyledon seed, the endosperm is not distinct. Okay, so the endosperm is not distinct here. Only it is distinct in monocotyledon seeds. Okay, so here these are the two cotyledons of a seed. Now, if I will separate the cotyledon, I can show you the embryo. Okay, let me separate it slowly. Yes. See, here I have separated the cotyledon. This is one cotyledon and this is another cotyledon. I have separated it. Now you can see the embryo here. You can see there are two parts of the embryo. One is towards the down and another is towards little up. Okay, so this part we call it as what? Radicle, and this we call it as plumule. So what is the work of this radicle? This radicle will gives rise to root, and this plumule it will gives rise to shoot. Okay, later on when we will put it over soil, it will germinate to form a plant. These radicle, okay, these radicals, they will grow down and they will form root, and these plumules, they will grow up and they will form what? Shoot. So these are the two parts of an embryo, radicle and plumule. So here we can see these are the what? Two cotyledons. This is the seed coat. After seed coat we can get two cotyledon. As it is a dicotyledon plant, we have two cotyledon. In monocotyledon plants it has only single cotyledon. But again in monocotyledon plant, after seed coat we can get the endosperm also, and it is not so distinct in dicotyledon plant. And the main thing is the embryo I want to show you. Okay, so this is the embryo. It has two parts, the radicle and the plumule. These radicals, they will grow down to form root, and these plumules, they will grow up to form what? Shoot. So this is the part of a seed. Again we can see very clearly in a pea seed also. Okay, I can show you the one pea seed also. See here, very quickly I can remove the seed coat. Okay, and after that we can examine the plumule and the radicals, but better you take little large seed so that it will be distinct to you. It also contains plumule and radicals. Okay, it also contains plumules and radicals. Okay, this also contains plumules and radicals, but as it is little small in size, it is not so clearly distinct. Here you can see a distinct feature of plumule and radical. Okay, so this is all about the parts of a seed. So here I am using this instrument because it is fair to me. If you are not having, no need to worry, need not to use this. You do by your hand, but do it surely. Okay, so that you will have a clear idea about the parts of seed. So these are the parts of seed already we have discussed. So the parts of root, the parts of flower we have discussed, the parts of seed we have discussed. Do not miss the practical videos, and this is very important because it is related to your theory topic, and you will have a what clear idea about the theory topic. And please repeat it again by your own so that you can get a very clear idea on the topic. Okay, so the next part we will discuss in our next video.